What's up guys, and welcome to the video. So today we're going to be talking about headsets. So I have tried a lot of headsets, and I will say spent a lot of money on headsets. I spent $20 on a headset. I think it was $20 or $30. And I will tell you there's a huge difference in not having a headset, having a headset. So let me tell you what I did at first. So when I first started tinting, I had no headset, and I would always have to be picking up my phone, and I can't tint with one hand. So I would be losing a lot of time. I would be losing a lot of patience. And it was just a very frustrating experience handling calls. Now what I do is I actually have a headset that I can just click and answer a call while I'm still working. So headsets are mandatory if you're trying to be an efficient window tinter. Obviously, if you have the money, get someone in the front desk, but if you're trying to be a lean operation, one-man operation, two-man operation, just have your headset on. So this one I got on Amazon. I'll try to get an affiliate link for you guys. I'll have it linked below, but this one's really great. I know you're gonna see some online that are like $120, $200. Don't go for the expensive ones because the chances are you're using this so much it's gonna break. So get a cheap one, have it charging at your warehouse and use it. This one has a lot of good reviews. I think it's like 20,000 reviews, something crazy like that. And it's $30. So don't make a stupid mistake buying an expensive headset. I've used $200 Beats. Those don't work because you can't hear customers. You need to have one ear constantly being able to hear who's around and being able to talk to your guys, talk to customers, and also be on the phone. So headsets, make sure you buy the right headset for your job. Don't be stuck without one. See you guys in the next video.